Hi, it's Jason from Dennis Carpenters. Today we're going to take a look at our custom cowl side nameplate for the 77 to 79 F-150s. Restoring a classic Ford truck can be rewarding if you know where to shop for these hard-to-find parts. After 40-plus years, most of the exterior trim and nameplates on these classic trucks most likely have seen better days. Our nameplates are made with the original Ford tooling and are licensed by the Ford Motor Company. They're exactly like the factory emblems that were installed on the assembly line. Made from modern plastic compounds, they are chrome-plated with the correct black paint accents. They will really set off your restoration and take it to a higher level. They also come complete with the fasteners for a trouble-free installation. So you can find these and many other quality restoration parts for your Ford at dennis-carpenter.com. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay up to date on our latest videos. You can also follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter.